Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stockers and Ninja Pro Traders. Monday, June the 26th, it's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. As we get started here, you can see we had opened at 24.32. It briefly just popped down right at the open down to this low at 24.30. Okay, and then went right straight up all the way to, it looks like we're currently at 24.41, but actually made the high up here at 41.75. A little wick up here. As you can see, it's attempting a breakout to move to the next market profile line here at 42.75. Shortly thereafter, we'll be looking for profits or next target at around the 43.75 area right in here, and then it should move up to the next zone. But at this 43.75, take the pullback all the way down into this top of this and use as support here at 41.25. And when we're done with that, look for it to, it might come back down and test here, but more than likely go back and test the 43, some consolidation, and then if we do have the bull stepping in today, go ahead and look for it to just go right back up to this 46, into the 47 profile, pull back for some profit taking, and then move right back into just above here at 48.75 up to this 50 area, 51, back to all-time highs. And where we go from there, if it breaks out and there's enough momentum, you never know what day that's going to be. The market's eventually going to break this high. Next market profile number looking at is probably around 56.25 in this next zone. At any one of these zones, sellers can step in and look for the reversal. So be very cautious as we move up today and all this week, to be honest. So if we look right here, we've got at this 49 or yeah 41.50 here. Once we get there, could be some consolidation. You could see that was just Friday's high over here in the zone, and then we're going to look not a high but the top of a zone. There we go. It's Monday morning, guys. So here we go. We're going right back down here to the 39, and if it comes back down and closes below this 39, around the 38, there'll be more consolidation. But if it breaks down into here, just below that 39, look for it to pull all the way back, somewhere around the 36 area. Again, right there, just key support of market profile. Now this needs to hold. We'll look at the daily profile later, along with the 235 minute to give you a better idea. But I want these key numbers in here today because they've been very, very important uh, up to this point, and they're going to continue to be there. Okay. If we get a close below this 36, moving down towards the bottom here, look for a close below this zone and then back into structure right into here, into the middle, and then down into here as we pull all the way back to the open. Actually creates a little bit of a zone anywhere from today's open at 32 to Friday's open at 31.25. Very little. All right, but if it could close below those, we're heading down to this bottom, and you can see it'll support right here, creating a secondary zone between 30, 29, possibly even Friday's low of 28.25. So it's all kind of one big zone, so be real careful in there. But I would expect that to hold unless we get some really, really bad geopolitical news out there that would cause us to fall. Okay, but this should hold and bounce back up, and we'll continue to balance in this whole area. I mean, we've been balancing between this 38 and 28 for a while now. Nice big balance, just waiting for the market to break out or break down and move in the next phase of this market. So let's take a look at market profile and see what we're talking about. Daily chart, you can see we held this bottom. We talked about this at 29.75.30 area right in here. You can see it's held it. We're pushing right back up. On a previous move, we're back at that 100% move at 40.50, but we've been as high as this 47, 40, 51, 52. So there's where we're going, okay? Any breakups after that, going towards this, 66 area up here for next targets on Fibonacci's. Don't quite expect that today, but you just never, never know this market. Pulling down, you see the 25, and you see this 15. These have been held, of course, the 2401. Very, very accurate market profile zones. Let's look at the 235. And as you can see, we have pulled out of this area, right out of this 30 finally, and pulled up, and we have closed above and held this 36, which I said was important. We've now hit this zone at 40.25, and looks like we're trying to break out. You barely see it in here. I'll clean these charts up tomorrow, give us some more space. But you can see this, we're just barely closing. So for breakout, so first target again, 42 area, market profile. We talked about that, and then possibly on up to this 51 area. Okay, we got this intermediate here. Like I said, what was that number? 43.75. Here we go. Right in here somewhere. Uh, there we go. Right there, just above it. So just a minor area at the top of these wicks up in here that might hold, but I don't expect it to be very strong support. More than likely, like I said, move it up into the 47s to 50s. All right. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.